crafting stunning decor from kitchen waste. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing how to craft stunning decor from kitchen waste. Tired of throwing away perfectly good kitchen scraps? What if I told you that your trash could be transformed into treasure? Let's dive into the world of upcycling and create beautiful, eco-friendly decor from everyday kitchen waste. Eggshells, often discarded without a second thought, are a fantastic resource. Their unique texture and natural color variations make them perfect for creating stunning mosaics. First, thoroughly clean and dry your eggshells. Crush them into smaller pieces and then dye them with food coloring for a vibrant palette. Apply glue to your chosen surface, a picture frame, a vase, or even a tabletop. Carefully arrange the eggshell pieces to create your desired mosaic pattern. Seal with a clear coat for durability. Don't toss those coffee grounds. They're not just for your morning caffeine fix. They can also add a rustic touch to your home decor. Dried coffee grounds can be mixed with glue to create a textured paint. Apply this mixture to canvases, pots, or even furniture for a unique, earthy look. You can also use coffee grounds to dye paper or fabric, creating a vintage sepia-toned effect. Experiment with different concentrations for varying shades. Citrus peels are packed with fragrant oils, making them ideal for creating natural potpourri and candles. Dry orange, lemon, or grapefruit peels in a low oven or dehydrator. Once dried, combine them with spices like cinnamon, cloves, and star anise for a delightful potpourri blend. You can also infuse candles with citrus scents by adding dried peels to melted wax. The result is a refreshing and invigorating aroma that fills your home. Vegetable scraps like onion skins, carrot tops, and celery ends can be simmered in water to create a flavorful vegetable broth. This broth can be used in soups, stews, or as a base for sauces. Don't throw away the leftover pulp from juicing. It can be composted or used as a natural fertilizer for your plants. The nutrients in the pulp will help your plants thrive. Onion skins, especially red onion skins, are a natural dye. They can be used to color fabrics, yarn, and even Easter eggs. Simmer onion skins in water to extract the dye. Soak your chosen material in the dye bath until you achieve the desired color. The result is a beautiful, natural, earthy tone. Ready to transform your kitchen waste into stunning decor? Start small, experiment with different techniques, and let your creativity flow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly DIY ideas. Share your creations with us in the comments below and let us know what other kitchen scraps you'd like to see upcycled. Click the link in the description for a detailed guide on each project and start crafting your sustainable home today.